Next, the I becomes 1. Okay, when I becomes 1, the j value vary from j can take 0 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so with the j value only we are comparing. When j equal to 0, we are comparing the 0 0 and first value. When j equal to 1, we are comparing first value and second value. So the adjacent concept is we are comparing the adjacent value. Okay, at each pass we are positioning correctly the largest element. Okay, so here when I equal to when I equal to 1, when I equal to 1, so first j equal to 0, so j takes the value of 0, 0 and 1 will be compared. So here it is not greater than value than this, so we didn't change anything. Then I, when j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. So 13 and 15 compared, there is no here it is contain only smallest value, so there we won't swap it. And when j equal to 2, 2 and 3 will be compared. So 15 and 3 will be compared. 15 is greater than the 3, so we have to do the swap. So after swapping that 15, okay, so it will, the output is like this, 3 15. Then when j equal to 3, 3 and 4 will be compared. 3 and 4 already it is arranged, so we will leave it as such. Then when j equal to 4, okay, 4 and 5 will be compared. The fourth element is greater than the fifth element. So 22 is greater than 2. So we are going to swap it. So after swapping to 22. So 22 correctly, the second largest element has placed at the end of the second pass. Okay, so second pass, second largest element. So no need to take care of this one. Hereafter the j value vary from only up to 3, so that 3 and 4 will be compared, and we will get the next largest element. Understand? So here then I value, now the I value becomes 2. When I value becomes 2, j value will vary from, so 0, that is that j stop value. What is the stop value? N minus I minus 1. What is the n? 7 minus I value is 2. 7 minus 2 minus 1, that is 7 minus 3. See 4. So 0 to 4 means it will take 0 1 2 3. So 3 and 4 will be compared. Okay, when j equal to 0, 0 and 1 portions will be compared. There is no change here, there is no change required. Then when j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. Here the first portion value is greater than the second portion, so it has swapped. Okay, then j becomes 2. When j becomes 2, 2 and third value will be compared. So 13 there is no arrangement is needed for that. Then j equal to 3, 3 and 4 will be compared. Yes, the third portion is greater than the fourth portion, so it has to be exchanged. So the j, I told that already, j will vary only up to third. So here we have the passes over, we have placed the third largest element at the third pass. Okay, 0 in, when I equal to 0, first largest element placed correctly. When I equal to 1, second largest element get placed correctly. When I equal to 2, third largest element get placed. Now the I becomes 3. When I becomes 3, 7 minus 3 minus 1. So 7 minus 4, 3. 0 to 2 means j can take the value of 0 1 2. When j equal to 0, 0 and first portions will be compared. Okay, will be compared. So 6 is greater, so we have swapped. When j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. There is no need of swap. Okay, already in the ascending order. When j equal to 2, 2 and 3 will be compared. So here it is also 2 and 3 will be compared. Here the second portion is greater than the third portion, so it has swapped. So in this, first I already told, when when I equal to 0, first largest element placed correctly. When I equal to 1, second largest element placed correctly. When I equal to 2, third largest element. When I equal to 3, fourth largest element get placed. Now only the remaining 3 values are there to get sorted. Okay, to be sorted. So now I value becomes 4. Okay, so j, in that case j vary from 0, 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. 2 means it will take the value of only j will take the value of 0 and 1. Okay, when j equal to 0, 0 and 1 will be compared. It is already in the ascending order. Leave it. When j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. So it will be swapped. So after swapping, we will get this value again. Okay, so j will vary only 0 and 1 only. So it over. Then when I equal to 4, fifth element sorted. Then when I equal to 5, okay, j value vary from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means it will take the value only 0. 0th value only will be taken, and 0th value will be compared with the first value. So what is the 0th value? It will be greater, so it will be swapped. After swapping that, when then again I will be vary. I already 5, so here I will be vary. I takes the value of 6, but j, what about the j value? 0, 7 minus 7, which is equal to 0. 0 to 0 means it no meaning in that. Okay, no value cannot be taken. So leave it. That's all. The pass is over. So totally, how much pass there are? 0 to 6 means there are we have 0 to 5. This pass is not actually when I equal to 6. J is used, that is j is used to only the comparing the adjacent value. J loop will be used only for comparing. Suppose in that comparing, the first value greater than the second value means they will the value gets swapped. Okay, so totally there are 7 elements. 7 elements means to sort the 7 elements, we need to go for 6 pass. Okay, so the pass vary from 0 to I takes the value of 0 to 5. So since it start from 0, so 6 pass to sort the 7 elements. Understand? Then so here I have given the summarization. So when I equal to 0, what is the range of 7? 0 to 6. So I takes the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then j equal to I, when I equal to 0, j also takes 0, but the range is from, the j value start from 0 to n minus I minus 1. So 7 minus 0, what is the j value takes 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, swapping means here if I want to exchange two value means it is a Unicode which is available Python only. A comma B, if you give B comma A, what is the B value? It is unpack. You already in the tuple we have seen unpacking. So unpacking means B value assigned to the A and A value assigned to the B. So likewise we can swap the value. The same concept we have followed in the j loop also. That is j means 0th element, j plus 1 means first element. So 0th element and first element, 0th position and the first positions will be exchanged. So first position, what the value is available in the first position, that has given to the 0th position. So 0th position, what the element is available, that has given to the handover to the first positions. Okay, this is a swapping. So here when I equal to 0, j equal to 0, when j equal to 0, the 0 and 1 value compared. When comparing, we are, so 0th value is greater than value, so we have swapped. Then j equal to 1, 1 and 2 is comparing. Here there is no need of, here also we are doing the swap. After swapping this one, then when j equal to 2, 2 in 2 and third value will be compared. Here there is no need because already sorted manner. When j equal to 3, 3 and fourth value has compared. So it is greater than value. So it has to be swapped. After swapping, that is available. Then when j equal to 4, 4 and 5 will be compared. So 22, here it is also ascending order. No need to swap. When j equal to 5, 5 and 6 value compared. Here it is not in ascending order. So it swapped. So when I equal to 0, that is I represent the pass and first pass. The first pass, largest element get placed in the correct position. So no need to touch. Hereafter in the second pass onwards, you have to focus the remaining elements to be sorted. Okay. Then I equal to 1. Likewise, when I equal to 1, okay, j, what is the j limit? J vary from 0 to 5. So 0 to 5 means j takes the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first when j equal to 0, 0 and 1 will be compared. So there is no need of swap. So when j equal to 1, 1 and 2 is compared. 13, there is no need of swap. When j equal to 2, 15 is greater. So we have to swap it. 2 and third. Okay, 2 and third means these two portions will be swapped. After swapping, this is the output. Okay, then this is the output. When j equal to 3, 3 and 4 will be compared. What is the 3 and 4? 15 and 20, already in the ascending order. When j equal to 4, 4 and 5 will be compared. So it will be swapped. Okay. So in the j equal to 4, the limit is reached. So next it will go and work on the outer loop. I becomes 2. When I becomes 2, j vary from 0 to 3. Okay, once again you are going to compare. In this case we are going to leave these elements because its second element gets second largest element get placed correctly. So remaining elements we are going to concentrate. So when I equal to 2, j vary from 0, 0 and 1 will be compared. There is no need of swap. When j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. Here we have to do the swap. So we already done. Then j equal to 2, 2 and third will be compared. So 13, there is no need of swap. And j equal to 3, 3 and fourth value will be compared. Here there is a need of swap. So we done. So j reached the limit. So we have to come out of the j loop. So we are moving to the outer loop. Outer loop, the I takes the value of 3. So in this third largest element get placed. So now okay, after add next pass we are going to concentrate only these 4 elements. So when I equal to 3, the j varies from 0, 1, 2. Okay, in the 0, 0 and 1 will be compared. So 6 is greater, so it will be like this. Okay, it will be swapped. When j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. There is no need of swap. When j equal to 2, 2 and third will be compared. Here it is not in the correct order, so it has swapped. So j limit has reached. So we will move on to the outer loop, that is I loop. The I gets the value of 4. So now we are going to concentrate only on the 3 elements. Okay, in this case j take the value of 0 and 1. When j equal to 0, 0 and 1 value compare, there is no need of swap. When j equal to 1, 1 and 2 will be compared. Okay, so here there is a need of swap. We have swapped. So this get placed. Limit is reached. After while the inner loop gets when the inner loop limit gets reached, at that time we get the fourth element gets sorted. Okay, fourth largest element. So we need to next pass we need to consider only 2 elements. When I equal to 5, so j vary from only 0 only. 0 to 1 means j takes the value of only 1, 0. So 0 and first value will be compared. Okay, after comparing that, we have correctly placed everything and I becomes now, so limit has reached and I now 6. When I 6, j takes no value. 0, 0 means it takes no value. This program is working in this way. Okay, thank you.